What's up, world? Indy tuning in one more time. And today we got something special. Check this out, y'all. It's kind of a remake and a retake to what we used to do as kids, either because of allergies, feeling stuffy, colds, and such. My mom and my aunt used to whip us up basically lime juice and a few cloves of garlic. And it got to the point where we would just ask for it because it tasted good. Give you that, like, I don't know what to call it, but that effect, like by your jaw, has like that jaw kind of clenching. Something like a sour candy, like your reaction to eating a sour candy, but a little more intense. And guess what? A lot more natural. No sugar, nothing crazy. I got here about 4.5 cloves of garlic. Throw that into the blender. I got my other anti-inflammatory components. Check it out, y'all. I got a piece of ginger roots. Just gonna take off the skin. This is already washed. And just nothing too crazy. Try to keep the whole root that you picked out. I don't know. Can't really judge the size, but just a good amount. You know, nice little ratio and portion to the amount of garlic you put in there. Cool. Make sure this is in frame. Cool. So I got the turmeric root now. You could use turmeric powder, but man, I just love this root. If it's available in your local grocery store, highly suggest you use that. That's what that looks like once it's peeled. Almost like a carrot, but not quite. Definitely does not taste like a carrot. Now I got 4 key limes. These look like regular limes, but no, they're not. They're not so. And the reason why I make this right now, I'm a little under the weather, not too much. I believe it's mostly allergies. Where I currently live, it's kind of allergy season. A lot of people have been noticing sneezing, stuff like that. So I want to be a little ahead of the curve and make my little concoction. I'm not really sure what to call this. Basically, all started on garlic and limes, but you know, with this one, I want to take out most of the seeds. I know there's some hiding inside the flesh of the citrus fruit, but try to get most of the seeds out before you wring out the citrus juice. Or you use one of those little machines that I've been talking about. I'm just not really into. It's like a metal little strainer, and then when you squeeze the citrus fruit, it strains the seeds out. I'm not a big fan. I tend to break those things. It is what it is, y'all. But yeah, I'm just getting up right now. I'm still on my fast. I'm drinking minimal amounts of water. I want to get this in because I feel like this is the end of my allergy situation. I'm able to talk more clearly, not as how do I say, congested in my frontal lobe around my eyes and nose, where I tend to experience the pressure of sinus allergies. Alright, got my trusty blender, and now all it is just squeezing the citrus juice inside. I will be adding some water just to make up for the liquid. I want this to actually blend and not make a salsa of some sort or a condiment, more like a juice. And you can add more citrus fruit, nothing wrong with that. I'm trying to conserve right now, so I'm using what I can. Yesterday I made this with a piece of habanero pepper, not a whole one, maybe like a third of a habanero pepper, and it did me right. I just don't want that spicy feeling in my stomach, so already it's around 10 o'clock today, so but if you can muster it, if you can stomach it, go right ahead, especially if you're feeling allergies pretty bad. It'll break up some mucus up, make you feel it all right. I did get the sweats though, man. That habanero was spicy. You could put serranos in there or whatever chilies you like, but like I said, it's a little too early for me in my stomach to be ingesting chilies right now, so I'm gonna pass. You could add honey to this. You could add a good amount of things to this, but I'm sticking with the turmeric, ginger, and garlic, and citrus. The reason I'm not putting no oranges or grapefruits in here, mainly the reason that those tend to be a little more sweeter. I'm looking mainly for like the sourness, the citrus, real vitamin C powered. I'm telling you, it gets you like behind the jaws. Ooh, it's an incredible feeling. And you could sip on this, but I tend to just kind of chug this down, have that warm feeling in my body. Feels pretty good, especially when you're under the weather, and it really does break up a lot of mucus. Alright, it was about 8 ounces of citrus juice. I had some water, so a little under 16 ounces. Now we blend. Now I'm back. You could smell this blender right now. Time for the pour. Now this is the type of juice that I typically do not save for later. If you do, just be prepared for the amount of acidity. The limes and lemons tend to get a little more citrus as you let it sit and possibly ferment. Wow, y'all. Give me 1 second. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully you try this, especially if you're feeling under the weather. Get your immune system a shock, a boost. You know, it's a natural booster around here. Alright, y'all. Y'all take care. Peace.